This Renaissance painting is by one or a pair of brothers, Giacomo and Giulio, the younger brother. From their youthful years, they grew up learning the family craft in their father's flourishing workshop, Francia. He trained them in the skills of a goldsmith, sculptor, painter, and engraver. Collections all over the world have paintings and engravings by this talented family, including an altarpiece in the Louvre that has similar details to M&G's 7-foot by 5-foot altarpiece, which features Mary, the infant Christ, John the Baptist, and possibly a 14th century Umbrian saint, Thomasius of Costachiaro. Other charming details embellish the scene, such as floating putti crowning Mary, decorative banderoles, and a young child playing a lute. Similar in design to the modern guitar, the lute is quite possibly the most popular Renaissance instrument. Members in every layer of society could play it, and it was enjoyed in both formal and everyday settings. As you listen, you can readily understand its versatility as both a solo instrument or accompaniment.